Let me show you how to switch between the gestures and navigation buttons on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So go to Settings, and under Settings you want to scroll all the way down and tap on System. Under System you want to select System Navigation, and as you can see, for me, by default I have selected the 3-button option. If you want to use gestures instead, simply tap on Gestures, and now your gestures are going to be active. Now, when you select either of these options, there are a couple of other options you can customize. For example, for the gestures, you can use this slider to increase or reduce the back gesture sensitivity. And for the three buttons, you have the option to change the button layout. For this, with the back button on the left and the recent button on the right if you're left-handed, or the traditional way if you're right-handed. Now, using either of these methods, for example, with gestures selected, to go back home, all you have to do is swipe up and release like that, and you're going to be taken back home. Swipe up and release from the middle like that to go into the recent apps. Or if you want to go back, you can simply swipe from the edge on the right or on the left to go back to the previous menu. With the buttons selected, it's pretty simple. To go back, simply use the back button like that. To see the recent apps, simply tap on the recent button like that to see all your recent apps. And to go back home, simply tap on the home button and it's going to take you back home. But that's basically how to switch between buttons and gestures on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.